Hey everybody, Gene Daughtry. You driving around in a Dodge Ram pickup truck or another vehicle that has a 4.7 V8 engine in it? Have you noticed that just you're getting check engine lights on? It doesn't have a lot of power. It doesn't seem like it wants to run the way that it used to. Maybe you're hearing a little bit of a rattle in the engine as you're driving it. That's caused by oil pressure. Today's engines, and I say today, the last about 15 years or so, the engines have become more advanced, and so is controlled by the oil pressure. And with these new engines, they have also got a problem of developing sludge. And it's not just a 4.7, but we're talking about a Dodge 4.7 right now. And the problem is a sludge buildup issue that's in that motor that has caused the not to be able to advance the way that it should, and it just doesn't have any power, or it won't run the way that it should, or the way that you expect it to, or the way that it did before. A way to cure that problem. After 30 years of being in the car business, I found a product that is called Gilcat Pro Line Engine Conditioner. And we use that in just, can't even tell you, countless number of those vehicles. And it solved that problem, that runnability issue, quietened down the engine noise, and brought the power back. And all of that done by using an aerospace technology that's been around for 30 years, tested by the military and tested by racing, professional racing. It's a made in America product. It's EPA non-hazardous, and it will help that engine perform like it did before by curing the oil pressure problem and super lubricating that engine for many, many miles. You put this product into the engine, you can change the oil and it stays in the engine. And it will work for many 15,000 miles and keep that motor performing the way that you expect it to, the way you always wanted it to, or the way it did when you first got it. So go to www.gilcat.com and look up the Gilcat Pro Line engine conditioner and give that product a try for that 4.7. Let's get that thing running right.